Lack of time defines our world. Time well spent means greater efficiency. The information we seek is seldom at our fingertips when we need it most. Don't waste your time searching for the information you need from several sources or chasing the people who know. What if you had one easy-to-use source for everything you need to lift safety, uptime, and efficiency? And you see all your truck documentation. Now you can access that source on any of your devices. YourKonecranes.com is your easy access point to gain valuable insights from your assets and share information about them. Anytime, any place, any device. See the usage status or upcoming maintenance requirements for a single truck or your entire fleet in real time. Monitor and control the utilization of your assets through TRUCONNECT remote services. It helps you to enhance operational efficiency, productivity, and safety. You can customize your portal dashboard to the views that matter most to you and subscribe to the insights you need. It's time for preventative maintenance to extend the life cycle of your trucks. It's time to be more eco-efficient. With our smart connected lift truck, it's only a click away. It's time to reduce costs and stop unnecessary idling. Now you can act based on what you know. YourKonecranes.com connects your people with your trucks. It contains all the information and insights they need to succeed. Stop putting out fires and start taking actions based on the data. Connect today and make better decisions for a more productive future, a safer future, a more predictable future. YourKonecranes.com is easy to use and built for your world.